Welcome at our cozy transitional project. Come on in. So the vision for this home was to create a beautiful space in a transitional style with a few modern accents and twists. What's special about this entryway is that this is not just a normal shaped entryway. We have some edges, we have this beautiful round window looking into the dining area, and we were so inspired by those geometrical shapes that we just wanted to bring that into a piece of art and pick all of the shapes up again. When you walk into the living space, you're greeted by this beautiful, big, welcoming sofa. It seats the whole entire family, and honestly, it is just so comfortable. So for this area, the client did want a coffee table, so we actually went for an oversized ottoman that was custom made for this space. However, we thought of practicality. It's a family after all, so they need to put their drink down somewhere. They need some hard surface on this. So we wanted to incorporate a slide-on coffee table piece, which is made of solid oak, and it just warms the whole space up. So one of my favorite pieces in this whole entire space are those beautiful sheepskin ottomans. They are kind of quirky because they have this super extravagant shape, but I think they just add so much of the modern theme to the space, and yet they have this Swiss, really lived-in hominess that we all long for when we come to the home, especially in winter. So with this console table, we wanted to separate the space, but also add some warmth with some natural wood tones. I really love the shape of this. I think this is an incredible modern piece, and still it is so earthy and heavy and rich that it also reminds you of something that has always been there. In this space, we wanted to create something practical. An extra seating area where you don't have to sit on the big couch. You can sit separately, you can read a book, you can bring a cup of coffee, and you can just hang out. The jumping off point for this area was the dining table, since this is a piece that the clients have already brought. So we have incorporated it in this space, picking up the warmth of the wood with a sideboard that we have on this side of the room, as well as the console table that I just showed you and a little mini bar. So we really just wanted to bring it in to create some nice harmony in the space. We also thought about lighting, and it should be something that you could really sit underneath, that you can just see your food clearly, but you can also relax and sit at the table for a long time. So we wanted it to be a really soft light, so we actually went for this pendant that has a dimmed down shade, and it's actually covering the bulb, so it's a very nice contributed light throughout the space. Since the family loves hosting people, we just wanted to bring some beautiful chairs around that actually seat you comfortably. So we have those very nice upholstered chairs with kind of a boucle feel, so it adds a little bit of texture, but it's not too much. Now I'm going to show you the girls' room. Come on in. The idea for this room was to create something that is cozy, it's intimate, it's a little hideaway, which is why we opted for this 4-poster bed with those beautiful pink curtains. The color palette of this room is still very neutral, but we wanted to incorporate a pink tone, and for it to be something that she could grow up with instead of kind of growing out of, we opted for this really nice pastel pink. Over here we have the little study nook. It's something cute and cozy just to sit down. Welcome to the boys' room. We did twin beds tucked underneath the sloped ceiling, and because we had to have the custom headboard, we got to choose the fabric, which we did in a denim kind of blue. So we wanted some more extravagant nightstand than just the typical grown-up nightstand in the space. So we opted for a side table that is a bit more playful, has a very cool shape to it, and paired it with those very cool black table lamps. Over here we have the play area. Our clients' kids like to play the PlayStation. We have a big screen on the wall, and we just wanted to get some symmetry with those chairs on both sides. They're really cool since they have this riffled effect and they bring a lot of structure to the space. It's not all flat. There is a bit more a material mix in here, and therefore blends in just fine. Welcome to the master bedroom. Walking into the space, you see this beautiful blue sideboard. The idea for this room was pretty clear. It's supposed to be a neutral space that calms you down, that's really relaxing with a smooth color palette. Still, we wanted to add a little pop of color, so we added this, and then also some nice material touches. The layout of the space was pretty straightforward. We have a very wide bed with comfortable cushions, but we also had a little extra space to do a wide armchair, which we always love to do because you can just sit down, read a book, hang out, and lounge. And here we have a guest room to host some guests whenever the family has people over.